Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn the concept of the photoelectric effect, which is the part first of our series. So friends, we have made one series on dual nature of radiation and matter. So let's see the next slide. So this is about the photoelectric effect. What is the photoelectric effect is? Now you can see one source of light is falling on this cathode plate and electrons are coming out of the cathode plate and they are getting accelerated toward anode, and because of the motion of the electron, current is flowing through the circuit. So this is the simple explanation of the photoelectric effect, which you can see easily in this moving picture, right? So now we are heading toward the next slide, which is the systematic diagram of the photoelectric effect. Now in this diagram you can see the various components. So now we are going to clear it one by one. So this is the source of light. Source of light is providing us the light of required intensity. This is quartz window. Quartz window has one. Quad window is nothing but the transparent glass from which light can easily enter and falls on a cathode plate. This is the evacuated glass tube. Evacuated glass tube has a cathode and anode inside it. Cathode, you can see over here that cathode is represented by photosensitive plate. So what is this photosensitive plate? Is photosensitive plate, that means when a light of required intensity or frequency falls on that cathode plate is able to eject the electron, and as that electrons are ejected by the cathode plate, which is photosensitive in nature, that's why that electrons are called as a photoelectrons. So in between cathode and anode you can see the different photoelectron. Now cathode has a negative charge and opposite to cathode is anode, and anode has a positive charge. Now in the down, commutator key is there. Commutator key consists 4 keys. Right now why we are using commutator key? Because at the time of learning the characteristics of photoelectric effect we need to change the polarity, and for changing the polarity it is necessary for us to use the commutator key. Now here you can see microammeter. As we are generating the current in this experiment, to measure that current we need microammeter. This is the voltmeter. This is rheostat. To vary the potential of the battery we are using the we are using the rheostat. After that in the down battery is there. Now friends, without joining the battery to the circuit also we can produce the current in this experiment, because this is our concept. So what is the use of battery over here? That we are using the battery to raise the strength of the current which is produced by the photoelectric effect. So this is all about the component. Now we are going to see the functioning of this apparatus, right? So this is the source of light. Now this source of light may be ultraviolet in nature or visible in nature, so that depends upon the cathode plate. Now so some cathode plates or some metal plates are sensitive to the ultraviolet light, or some metal plates are sensitive to the visible light. So according to the material choose in a cathode plate we can choose the source of light. So from source of light light is entering through quartz window and that light is falling on the cathode plate, right? Now as it is a light has a photon inside it, and photon has a specific energy. So this energy is divided into two parts. Some energy these electrons are utilizing to get outside the cathode, right? As the photon has energy, some of energy is utilized by the electron which are present in the cathode to get out of the cathode, and whatever the energy of the photon which is left, that energy is utilized by photoelectron to get accelerated toward the anode. Now as anode has a positive charge and photoelectrons has a negative charge, that's why these photoelectrons get accelerated toward the anode, and because of the motion of the electron, current flows through this circuit. So with the help of micrometer we can measure that current, right? So this is about the photoelectric effect. Now we are going to see the definition or statement of the photoelectric effect, that when a light of certain minimum frequency incident on a photosensitive plate. Photosensitive plate start the emission of electron, and that emission of electron is nothing but the photoelectric effect. So this is all about the photoelectric effect. Now we are moving toward the photocell. Photocell is nothing but the application of photoelectric effect. Now you can see the component in the photocell that are similar to the components which we have used in the photoelectric effect. So you can see the component. This is incident light, this is cathode plate, this is emitter plate. Next in the down it is microammeter, this is battery and rheostat, and after that emitter and cathode they are put inside the evacuated glass tube. So what is the procedure? That when the incident light falls on the emitter plate start to emit the electron, and after that these electrons flow toward the cathode, and because of the motion of the electron current flows through this circuit, and after that this current can be measured with the help of micrometer. So this is all about the explanation of the photoelectric effect or the application of the photoelectric effect, which is the photocell. So friends, today we have covered photoelectric effect and the application of photoelectric effect, which is photocell. So now we are going to stop here. So if you have any doubt, you can put that doubt in the comment box below. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.